friends, welcome back to another Create With Me Thursday. Today I have a little crazy idea. I have two of these striped towels here at my house sit, and I want to create a photo with that. So as I said, I have two of them. One of them I will tape on the wall as a background, and one of them I will actually use on a table right in front of me. And I also have a green sweater which I will wear, and I will adjust the green tones afterwards in Photoshop. And I have literally no clue how this photo will turn out. So if you're interested, join me and we will create this photo together now. So first of all, I just took some test shots to see how it looks like, and then I realized that I'd rather have some braids as they might look better in the image. So I weaved some braids. But for my second braid, I realized that I only have one hair tie, so I used some tape to just fix it, which was not the best idea, but I mean, it worked out. And then I took some different photos looking in different directions with different poses, but I really quickly realized that I'd rather have like my hands down and just my upper body showing in the image, so I tried a couple of different photos this way. So I just shot the image, and I'm now gonna go on my computer and edit it in Photoshop together with you, and I hope I will get this tape out of my hair. Wish me luck. It was not as bad as I thought. So let's start editing the image. I'm just putting in the SD card, and let's look through the images. This is not very much the best place to edit because I'm like, oh, but maybe I'm just sitting down on the floor and edit like this. Okay, so in Photoshop, I firstly reframed the image in a way I think looks best, and then I expanded the stripes. There are definitely better ways how to expand the stripes than the way I did it. I just did it with the stamp tool, but you can, for example, also use like the vanishing point tool in Photoshop, which might be better for this occasion. After that, I just simply selected all of the green stripes and changed the color a little bit to make them look more saturated and just a little bit more flat even, because you could see the structure of the towel. Then I selected all the white stripes and made them a little brighter, and after that I just really quickly selected my jumper and changed the color so it fits to the green tone of the stripes. I usually do it with the curves tool, which is a really simple and easy tool to change colors. After that, I just got rid of any like dust on my sweater or impurities in my face, and then I changed the green tones a little bit, and I just felt like what green tone might look best in this image. And then I actually painted with light. I do it with two gradation curves, one which I make brighter and one which I make darker, and then I just paint inside of the image to make it look more surreal. And I really love this process as it's more like painting rather than like editing, and it's just really fun to see how the image develops in this process. After that, I also changed my skin tone a little bit. I usually do it with the selective color tool, and then I made sure that only my skin is affected and got rid of this effect on my lips, as it made my lips look less red. I usually like my lips a little more red, so I created an extra curves tool where I just put a little bit more red on this curve tool to make them pop out a little more. So this is it, quick and dirty. This is how I created this new creative image. I personally really enjoyed it. It was really intuitive, spontaneously, and I sometimes really love to just create images where I don't have a clear vision of how it should turn out. It leaves space for more creativity. And this image was just some quick test. Yeah, but I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching until the end of this Create With Me video. If you liked it and you want to see more of this content, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and then I'll see you next Thursday. Bye!